Start by making a quick pickle by thinly slicing a red onion and adding it to a bowl with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of sea salt. Mix that to combine, then set it aside. Meanwhile, roughly chop 75 grams of jarred artichokes, drained of their oil, and 150 grams of pitted Novello olives, leaving some whole to add texture to the salad. Add these to the bowl with the onions, along with a large handful of minced fresh parsley and mint leaves. Next, drain a tin of Mr Organic's butter beans and scatter them in. Drain off a jar of Mr Organic's lentils and add those to the bowl too. Then make the dressing by warming 4 tablespoons of Mr Organic's olive oil in a small pan. Add in a tablespoon of za'atar and heat it through until smelling fragrant, before then adding in a minced clove of garlic. Stir it through just enough to fry it off and then allow that to cool. Once cool, add the za'atar garlic oil to the empty Mr Organic lentil jar along with a teaspoon of sumac, the juice of half a lemon and a pinch of salt. Close the lid tightly and shake well to combine the dressing, then pour over the salad and toss well to coat everything evenly. Store this salad in Kilner's fresh storage glass containers in the fridge for up to 3 days, or enjoy as a plant-rich lunch on the go. We love to load it up onto some toast with some hummus. From the creamy artichokes to the tangy olives and fragrant fresh herbs, and packing in the plant protein with our organic butter beans and lentils, this spring salad is rich in fibre, protein, and lots of plant goodies.